Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As we know, we are giving away free social media master class, and today we are going to talk about how you can choose the best niche for yourself. This one is for people that doesn't even know what they are going to start. They don't even know where they are going to begin with. They don't even know the kind of content they are going to create. They don't even know the kind of idea they are going to generate. If you watch all of my video recently, I have been listing many things about niche, about what you can start. So you can just go and watch those videos and come back and watch this one. So I will give you 3 ways to choose niche for yourself, even though you don't know what you are doing. And please like, comment, subscribe, please. That will help me a lot. And without wasting our time, let's get right into the video. And in number one way to choose the best niche for yourself is when you know what you love to be doing. Do you understand? If you know what you love doing, like what the kind of things that you love to be doing, as the thing is, the kind of thing that even though you are doing it without getting paid, or for the sake that you love doing it, you will keep doing it. That's the only thing that you can do on social media right now that can make you more money. You understand? That's the only thing that can make you last long on social media. It is not about you jump on trend. The thing is what you love doing, even though you are not getting paid, even though you are not growing faster, but for the sake that you love it, you will keep doing it for the sake of the love. I have a friend that told me that he doesn't want to be answer tailor, he doesn't want to be answer writer, but he loves writing. So he keep writing. The tailor won't keep doing it. He doesn't allow people to call him tailor. You understand? He's a good friend of mine. He's a male friend. Doesn't allow people to call him tailor. But yes, he's tailor. He keep doing it because he know what he love doing it. That's it. So if you love, you look at yourself, you ask yourself, what's exactly I love to be doing? That even though I am not getting paid for it, I can still continue doing it no matter what. The only reason you will keep doing it is because you love it. That is your niche. If you like making people laugh and you are not getting paid, but you love doing it, that's your niche. If you love singing, even though when they sing from tomorrow to now, you are not getting paid, but you love doing it, you keep doing it. That is your niche. Bring it to Facebook. Set your camera. That's the same thing that you love doing. That's singing. That's clapping. That's dancing. That's drumming. That you love doing. That you just love any day, anytime. You just love to be doing that thing. Set your camera. Keep doing it and be posting it online. Keep doing it consistently. Ask stylish. Do this. Keep doing it and be posting it online. And before you know, it will what? It will grow. And number 2 way to know your niche is what you know. What you do, what you know. This has to do with your experience in life. Whatever the experience is, as long as it is what you know, continue to tell people about it. What you have passed through, what you know in life, the kind of experience, what you know, what you have learned so far. Like me, all this that I'm teaching now, I let them. Yes, I learn them. I learn them from people, learn them from video, from AI sometimes, Google Charts. I look for them. I compare them, then I bring them here. And you are watching. You can also do the same thing for what you love and for what you know. I'll be doing it. And the reason I'm telling you is that I know it. If I don't know it, I won't be telling you. So what you know also, and no matter how bad it is, tell people about it. And people are going to watch. I want you to know something. No matter what you know, no matter what you pass through, no matter waiting, there are certain people that have been there before you get there. There are certain people that have passed through that the same thing before you even enter it. So if you have any experience in life, bring it to life by get your phone ready. If now you won't get a little microphone, even though you don't get microphone, just talk about it, and people are going to do what? People are going to watch. And number 3 on the list, which is the last one, which is the last one that you know that you can be doing consistently, is what people need. What people need. When you discover what people need, you create content based on what people need. Before I start creating content, I search many ways. I look around and I discover that people are not giving this kind of course, this kind of class for free. People are actually paying to get it. Okay, and I decide that people are still looking for it, despite the fact that they are paying for it. They are looking for it because it's a way of make money for them. It will help them to know more. It will help them to, and I decided to give it for free because I know that people need it in order to make money. You understand? Some people need it in order to do what? In order to make money. And if you don't understand normally, and if you don't understand something, it may hard for you to use it to make money. So sometimes you just have to understand before you can, put it into action. So this has to do with research a lot. You may research a lot. You may ChatGPT can help you to do. Can just ask different question on what people need and what people are searching for, and it will help me. And just keep doing it. And even though there is no view, just keep doing it. A single video can change your life totally. I'm telling you the truth. A single video can change your life. And if you watch to this moment, it means you love. Please kindly like the video, comment, thank you, and subscribe so you will not miss any of our video. Turn on the notification bell. And if you want to join my community, it's a good idea. I will drop my number in the comment section, or just send me a DM, and you are welcome. And of course, see you in my next video. Thank you.